Welcome to Affizy. Today, we will learn how to start as a publisher on Affizy Network. Let's get started. Point 1. Explore Affizy Network. Open your browser and go to google.com. Search for Affizy Network and click on affizy.network to enter our app. Create a publisher account. Create a publisher account by providing your details and Bitcoin wallet address for receiving your earnings. Upon registration, you'll be redirected to the dashboard with a $10 welcome bonus in your balance. Point 4. Share campaigns. To earn more Bitcoins, go to banners and links and explore active campaigns for your profile and country. Campaign details. Each campaign has specific rules. For example, this one is earn per click. You can earn 10 cents for every click. Point 7. Get campaign code. If you're a website owner, copy the campaign banner code and place it in your website. Point 8. Content creators. Content creators can download images and share them on platforms like Stories using their unique link. Point 9. QR code display. Use a QR code for display. Every unique scan earns you rewards. Let's generate clicks. Instant rewards. Instantly receive 10 cents for every click, visible in your app dashboard. Track earnings. Check your total earnings for each campaign in the banners and links page. Note that this was a demo campaign. The earnings can vary based on the advertiser's budget or campaign model. Explore other campaign models like commission per sale, earn 10% of the total order amount, and commission per lead, earn a fixed value, for example $5 for every lead. For more questions or assistance, feel free to contact us. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Good luck on the Affizy Network.